What's up, everybody? My name is Alex, and hope you're having a good day so far. So this video is going to be pretty brief. I recently acquired the Pitbull Gold Pro Skull Shaver, and I just want to do an unboxing and try it out. I've been bald, shaved my head since 2019, and it's been a cool experience so far, but I've noticed that it's just always been so hard work. So I've been looking for the best solution possible for me, just to make it easy. And hopefully this can solve my issues. But let's unbox it and see what we're going with. So I got the gold one because the platinum had the same features, but was painted in platinum. And I heard that it will start to, the painting will start to chip off, and it can get on your head and stuff, so I just didn't want to deal with that. Just took off the lid. It came with, of course, a catalog, pouch for storage. Nice, it's velvety. And then let's get to it. First things first in here, we got our power cable, USB. This is looks like a standard charging cable for clippers or something, but they actually give you charging brick, and it says Skull Shaver on it, so that's cool. Let's take the plastic off. Thank you. Yeah, so that's smooth. All these products, they just come with USB cable, but never plug, so I appreciate that. We have the shaver itself. I must say, it feels very robust in the hands already. Like, I can tell it's good quality. It feels like plastic, but at the same time it feels substantial, like it's not going to break if it falls. But it's sturdy. It's nice. Let's take off some of this plastic. And let's see what happens. Here's the power button right here. Oh. Sorry, at 100%. That's what's up. Now this sounds like some old school clippers that when I used to go to the barber shop, my grandfather used to take me. So somebody that was his friend, he used to go to. He had them old school clippers, and it sounds just like that. It's loud, but those old school clippers work very well. So they say you're supposed to hold it like this. We'll see about that. But they also have the thumb grips here. So I guess whatever you prefer, what's your preference? Manual. And then choose the blade for you if you need more options, of course. With normal use, it says you're supposed to replace the shaver head every 2 to 6 months. What a transition to go on, so we can do a shaving demonstration. Now I heard people say that they have some inconsistencies with the product and it may not be the best for them, but I've heard and believe that it's because people don't use their shaving cream or something to make sure that their head is well prepared. So that's what we're going to do. It's going to moisturize my head with some warm water. My shaving cream of choice has been this Pure by Gillette. Man, it just goes on so nice and even. I love it. So I'm just going to prepare myself for that and get it popping. Now also, I live by this stuff. Keeps your clippers and your blades and everything real clean and cool. Disinfects them, and it'll make your blades and things last longer. So invest in one of these. So before I even use this product, I'm just gonna turn it on. And it's over the sink. Okay. Just a little bit. Just to make sure it's nice and clean. It's in the factory, who knows? But let me go run this water and get my head together. Now I need to get some more of this, clearly, but let's get on it. Start there. Wet it. Now, alright, cool, all good with this. Now I also like to lubricate, just make these a little warmer. So we'll see how that goes. Alright, let's get to it. I noticed that I'm holding it from here. It gives me good grip, and I noticed that the shaver itself is like kind of pivoting. It's not as much as like a Gillette, but it really kind of pivots along my head. That's pretty cool. So now I'm gonna try holding it this way, you know, doing my sides. But so far so good. It's smooth. I like it a lot so far. And I'm noticing that when I run it through some hot water, after I'm done going through a couple passes, hair's coming right out of it. Now I got this because they said it also cleans very well. You can take the head off easily. I know, don't you hate it when you see other products like this and you gotta like pop off each one and it's confusing and then they pop off. Nah, I'm not trying to deal with that. So good, let me keep going. Now I generally shave like every 2-3 days. But sometimes I get lazy. I feel like the growth that I had in my hair was about 4 to 5 days. It's working right through that though. Alright, let's keep it going. By the way, so we shaved most of my head except for the back. We're at 98%, so that's what's up. Just got done. We're at 96%. It's pretty great. And I gotta say, pretty good shave. It's very even. Looks great, you know. Now I don't always shave too close because I have sensitive skin, clearly, and that's why I love these razors, because they stop me from getting ingrown hairs and everything is just real smooth. Now, talking about cleaning this, so you get a lot of hair out of it when you just run it through some hot water while this is on. But they say you can just take this part off like that and up. So that's game changer right here, because you know how hard it is dealing with the ones you gotta take off each one. So that's great. We just rinse this out, spray it with this, put it back together. This is easy as pulling it. Just put it back together, snaps in place, back in business. So I'm gonna clean my face up also. I also use this for my face, so I'm gonna do a review on this if you want to see it later. But let me just clean up my face, get my skincare together, and I'll come back with final thoughts. One quick thing I forgot to mention. I use this right after I'm done shaving. Just put it on my head and my face when I'm done, and it's just amazing to soothe everything. And I also use this mist right here. This Harry's mist is amazing. And it just has like a nice mint scent to it, and it just, you know, makes my skin feel more luxurious. And then I do my skincare routine and stuff. But yeah, but let me finish and I'll be right back. Alright, so we're back. Overall, I should say I'm pretty satisfied with the product. The Pitbull was really smooth and did a good job cutting. Now, I said I had about 5 days of growth in my head and cut it with no problem. Everything was real solid. Now, it's not the closest shave in the world, but that's perfect for me. I don't need that. I have darker skin, so hair doesn't really show up that much, even if it's just a little bit left. But I can't complain. It was very smooth going. It did shave evenly, quick, and I highly recommend this product. So in conclusion, I highly recommend this product. I know it's a little expensive, it's $100, but I feel like you get what you pay for, and I'd rather buy something right, the best quality of what I can the first time, and not have to buy a bunch of other things, then go cheap, and then you know how that goes. So that's just where I'm at. I love it. Encourage you to try it. Let me know what you think down below, and also be sure to check me out on Instagram. I'm a musician, DJ, all that, and I will be posting more content of me performing and making mixes, and then talking to you as well. You know, some of my favorite products. I know you saw the cologne. Got a nice little collection that I have and I'm building, so we could talk about that too. I hope you have a beautiful and blessed rest of your day, and I appreciate the time that you spent here with me. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next one.